Hey there! Tired of the same old seafood recipes? Today, I'll show you how to transform octopus into an incredible Indian delicacy that will transport you straight to the streets of Mumbai. This octopus masala is packed with aromatic spices and tender meat that melts in your mouth. Don't worry if you've never cooked octopus before. I'll guide you through every step. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's make something amazing together. Let's dive right into preparing our octopus. First, we need to clean it thoroughly to remove any excess dirt or impurities. Rinse it under cold water, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Once it's nice and clean, place the octopus in a large pot. Cover it with water and bring it to a boil over medium heat. This will take about 35 to 40 minutes, and you'll know it's ready when it becomes tender. Once boiled, drain the octopus and let it cool down a bit. Then, cut it into medium-sized pieces. This will make it easier to handle and ensure that every bite is perfectly seasoned later on. Now, let's prepare our spice blend, which is the heart of this dish. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add some fenugreek seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. This releases their unique aroma and flavor. Next, toss in the chopped onion and sauté until it turns a lovely light brown. If you're using ginger garlic paste, add it now and cook until the raw flavor disappears. This step is crucial for building a rich, flavorful base for our masala.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
With our base ready, it's time to add the spices and tomatoes. Sprinkle in cumin powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and a bit of red chilli powder for that extra kick. Mix everything well to ensure the spices are evenly distributed. Then, add the chopped tomatoes, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook this mixture on low heat until the tomatoes break down and become mushy, creating a thick, aromatic sauce. This should take about 10 minutes. If you prefer a milder dish, you can adjust the amount of chili powder to your taste. Now, let's bring it all together by combining the octopus with our spice blend. Add the boiled and cut octopus pieces to the pan, stirring them into the masala. If the mixture seems too thick, add a few drops of water to maintain the desired consistency. Cook everything together for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat, stirring occasionally. This allows the octopus to soak up all those wonderful flavors, ensuring every bite is deliciously coated with the masala. As we near the finish line, it's time for some final touches. Give the dish a taste and adjust the salt if needed. If you're using tamarind pulp, add it now and mix well. This will give the dish a tangy depth that complements the spices beautifully. For a fresh burst of flavor, garnish with chopped coriander leaves and fried curry leaves. A squeeze of lemon juice can also be added for a zesty finish, if you like. These final touches really elevate the dish, making it vibrant and aromatic. Finally, it's time to serve our delicious octopus masala. This dish is best enjoyed hot, so serve it straight from the pan, with a side of steaming rice. The rice will soak up the flavorful sauce, making each mouthful a delightful experience. If you're feeling adventurous, you could also serve it with naan or any flatbread of your choice. Enjoy your meal and savor the rich, spicy flavors of this unique dish.